1. The Earth. 1. Forms of the Earth. Hi friends! A landform is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. Landforms are categorized by characteristic physical attributes such as elevation, slope, orientation, stratification, rock exposure, and soil type. Tectonic plate movement under the earth can create landforms by pushing up mountains and hills. Erosion by water and wind can wear down land and create landforms like valleys and canyons. Both processes happen over a long period of time, sometimes millions of years. The earth is approximately 70% water, and nearly all of it, 96%, is ocean water. Water used for everyday life, however, comes from the smaller freshwater pools such as rivers and lakes. Landforms can exist underwater in the form of mountain ranges and basins under the sea. In this lesson, you will learn about the different forms of the earth.
Unit 1. The Earth. 1. Forms of the Earth. Our home. The Earth is a wonderland. We live on the Earth. The Earth is made up of land and water. The larger bodies of water are called as the oceans, and the larger land areas are called as the continents. The Earth is the living home for a larger number of human beings, animals, plants, and various other living things. As we get all the things which are necessary for our living, we call the Earth as our home. Shape of the Earth. Long ago, people did not know that the Earth is round. They thought that it was flat, and on reaching the margins, one would fall. Finally, it was Magellan who sailed around the Earth and found out that it was round. From the top of the highest mountain in the world, the Earth looks like a big ball. It is round in shape.
Composition of the earth. The surface of our earth contains land and water. The land comprises of only 29% of the total surface area, whereas water comprises 71% of the area.
Forms of the Earth. Landforms. The major landforms are as follows. Continents. We can find that the Earth contains larger land areas called continents. There are 7 continents on the Earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Plains. These are the areas of land surface which are level and even. Plateaus. These are the highlands which rise above the surrounding area. They are flat. They are also called tablelands. Deserts. The places which are sandy plains with little rainfall are called deserts. Valley. A low uneven land between the hills or mountains is called a valley. Hills. The places where the land rises steeply and forms high peaks are called hills. Mountains. Group of hills which rise quite high and form peaks are called mountains. There can also be mountains filled with snow. Example, Himalayas. Peninsula. A piece of land covered by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Island. An island is that piece of land which is covered by water on all the sides. Delta. Some rivers break up into canals before they join the sea. The land between these canals is called a delta. The delta is usually triangular in shape. Coast. The land which borders or touches a sea is called a coast. Water forms. We have already learned that water occupies 71% of the Earth's total surface area. Water is found in lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. As we learned the landforms, let us learn about the water bodies or the major water forms. Stream. The snow melts and flows down from the snow-capped mountains to form a stream. River. A river is formed when some streams join and flow down. The river flows along the land and joins the sea. Waterfall. A stream or a river that flows down a hill forms a waterfall. Sea. The large water body on the surface of the earth is called a sea. Bay. A part of the sea which is covered by land on three sides is called a bay.
Ocean. A very large water body, just like the sea, is called an ocean.
Let's revise the important points.
1. The earth is round like a big ball. 2. The surface of our earth contains land and water. The land comprises of only 29% of the total surface area, whereas water comprises 71% of the area. 3. There are 7 continents on the earth. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. 4. The various landforms are continents, plains, plateaus, deserts, valley, hills, mountains, island, coast, delta, and peninsula. 5. The different water bodies are stream, river, waterfall, sea, bay, and ocean. 6. There are 5 major oceans on the earth. They are the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean.